dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a friendship bracelet. Step 1. Supplies. In order to make a friendship bracelet, you'll need thread and scissors. The colors I'll be using are light blue, navy blue, orange, teal, and yellow. Once you're finished cutting the thread and ordering it the way you want, put a knot in the thread at the equivalent length of your hand. Set the string on a flat surface and move the string colors in the order you would like. Add tape overlapping the string so the bracelet can stay in place while you're making it. After you set the string in the order you like, so now what you're going to do is grab the first 2 strands and tie 2 knots. 2 knots in a row. So the first strand, the first color, which is my dark blue, is going to keep staying on the left side while I'm tying my knot. So I'm going to tie my knot one time, see how I kept it on my left side, and then I'm going to knot it again, and I'm going to keep it on the left side. So the only time that it's not on the left side is when you switch it. So I flipped it over and put that blue to the side. So now I'm still doing the darker blue, and I'm going with my yellow. So I'm going blue, knotted with yellow, and it's staying on my left side. It doesn't go on the right side. So I'm going to repeat that process. My tape isn't really sticking so well, so I would recommend a stickier tape, but just sticky enough where it will stay on your flat surface, not stick to the string. And if you're easily bored, I would recommend to watch some TV because it's probably going to take a while. So here's the final product of the bracelet. It came out very nice. Here's me just figuring out if I made it long enough for my wrist. And that is very important to do when making a bracelet. So now, because it fits perfectly on my wrist, I'm going to tie off the bracelet so I can start with the braiding. Make sure to not leave any excess thread after you tie it off. Now you tape it back on each side one by one. You start braiding to tie off the bracelet. So now I'm making an adjustable bracelet. So what you do is get one piece of string and you tie it on the 2 knots. You attach those 2 knots together and you tie 2 times and you flip it to the other side and tie 2 times. Flip to the other side, tie it 2 times. You just do that over and over and over until you have no more string. Okay, so the cool thing about adjustable bracelets are they can basically fit anybody depending on how long the braids on the end of the bracelet is. They're really good for gifts because most of the time we don't know people's wrist size. Okay, so finally. So the last part is I'm just putting the finishing touches on it by cutting the excess string off of the adjustable bracelet. Now finally, here is the final product.